Hey y'all, just a quick little video here. I saw my friend this morning and told me that my parts were ready, and so there they are here. But I also, so these are the spaces I had him machine up for me. So I gave him a little diagram. So what's going to happen is that, so I made two different sizes. The smaller one for the passenger side. So what's going to happen is, so when I jack it up, I don't have to pull it all the way up. I'll be able to just slide it, and I have it so that will stop in the center. So anyhow, so I'm going to clean these up, paint them, and all that. So that's for the passenger side, and my friend cleaned up the one for the driver. So like I said, I won't have to pick the engine up so high, so it'll just go up a little bit, slide it in, and right around there it should be centered. And like I said, hopefully my calculations come out correctly. But anyways, so before I went and picked them up, I went to a junkyard. It was right down the street. Made a deal with a guy. I have an old truck frame out back, but so I saw these cars come in. I'm like, dude, I ran over. I said, I said, emblems. I'm like, no kidding. So that was from an Oldsmobile. That one there, unfortunately, is broken, but I'm gonna have my buddy across I'll get some measurements. I'll have him just jet out a little piece, and I'll put it on there and mold it in there. And this one here was off of a Chevrolet, I think a 53 or 4. I have to go back and look, but that's they call the Hawk Eagle one. And then 55 Cadillac Fleetwood 60. I see a lot of these that have the tailpiece broken. Put that over there. So, and I see this one has it. But anyhow, yeah. So I looked it up, but I know for a fact because I took it off of the car myself. So I'm gonna just clean these up and I don't know, see what I want to do. But anyhow, I just want to let you know I did get my, and then my buddy, that's what else that CNC plasma can cut out. All right, folk, there's my table of stuff I'm going to clean up. So I'm going to go and eat. Just figured I'd give a quick little update. All right, folk, next video will be spacers in and see if I've gathered the space that I need to get that drag link to go through. Okay, have a good day, y'all, and thanks for listening.